Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with the basic tutorial levels or log into your existing account. Once you are logged in, you will gain access to the home page and all of the game menus. Now you will see the map icon at the bottom left corner, which you can tap on, and you will be asked whether you would like to change your name. If you have not already set your name, you can simply set your name by entering your preferred name within the given box. After entering your desired name, tap on the confirm button, and now your username will be changed within your game right away. And after this, if you wish to change your name at any time, you can simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on the edit option alongside your name. And from this page, you will find your change name as well as the change nickname option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name within the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.